This webinar training will showcase how to embed Remind into your WCM webpage. Your first step is going to be going to the Remind website to either log in or sign up to generate an account. After you have logged in, it will take you to the account that you've created. So I can see that I'm in my WGSIS account. It's also going to show the different classes that are owned by me. So this sample Remind class is the one that I created. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually looking for the embed code so that I can paste it into WCM. If I go up to this WGSIS, it's going to give me a couple different options. Where I will be going is in the account section, but if you look at there, you're going to see a heart with share remind. That is only going to give you a URL to share out. It's not going to give you the embed code, which I need to have to embed this into my actual page. Once I click account, it's going to bring up a bunch of different fields for me, and the one field that I want is widgets. I'm going to click on widgets, and you'll see that embedded any Remind widget into the HTML of your class website or blog to display your recently sent messages. My first step, step one, is choosing the class, and you're going to see that the class that I have is sample Remind class, and then it's going to give me some code specifically for this. I'm going to copy the code. I can either highlight it, right click and copy. You can also just click this button here that says copy widget code. This is all I need out of my Remind website and my Remind class. So my next step is navigating to my website. Once I'm on my website and I'm logged into WCM, you'll see that I have this edit page option. I'm going to navigate to the page that I want to place Remind, and this is it. So I'm going to click edit page. I can also do this all on the back side, which is our site manager page. So I click edit page. It's going to open up my website that I want to place Remind. You're going to see I have a couple different content apps already pushed out. You'll also know that the layout of my website is built with a side right sidebar. And I'm going to look through my different apps for the embed code. And you'll also notice that these are all alphabetical. I'm going to click and hold, and you'll be able to drag and place this app where you would like it to drop. So I'm going to place it right up top of that picture. And I now have an edit, and I have right here the title. So I'm going to change the title from embed code to Remind WGSD. Okay, and I'm going to click my edit option button, and I will see that this brings up a text field for me. Now all I need to do is right click and paste, or Control V, and it's going to give me that information that was on the Remind website. You'll notice that it's already active on my page. If I toggle this off, it won't be visible. And if I go over here to options, you'll see the app name is already put in there because I placed it here. And I'm also going to click this, show the app name on my page. The reason why I'm clicking this is it's going to make that Remind WGSD a title. I want you to be able to see what that looks like, and then we'll turn it off after. Click Save Options, Save. To be able to view this, I actually have to then go back to my website. I can do that by just going up to the original tab. You'll see that it's not here yet, but once I refresh my screen, the WGSD Remind app will appear with the title. Now, if you don't like this title, actually it looks like this. I'm going to click the edit mode again, options. I'm going to take that title off now and save it, and then refresh my screen, and then it's going to remove the Remind WGSD. You'll see that once embedded, I've got my sample Remind class, an ability to be able to join the class, and then you're going to see a post that I pushed out. Welcome to sample Remind class. I'm looking forward to using Remind to share updates, notes, and more. Thanks for joining. Hopefully this works. Okay, you can also sign up for Remind, and it will be set up on your page. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you.